today we're going to talk about why your storm door won't close. The question I get a lot is, with my front door closed, I try to open the storm door, and when it closes, it won't close and latch on its own. And most people think that it's an issue with the door. It's not actually. The issue is if the window is raised completely and your entry door is closed, when the storm door closes, there's a buildup in pressure between the two doors, and that buildup will prevent the storm door from actually closing and latching on its own. Let me demonstrate. So, door's closed, the storm door won't close and latch on its own. What we have to do is break that air gap or break that vacuum, and you do that by allowing a screen in. So if you have ventilation, the air that's trapped between the two doors can escape and the door closes. Miraculous, huh? It's just a function of physics. So if your door is closing and not latching on its own, it's not because it's broken, it's because that's the way the physics work. And you can also just adjust these little door closers too, if it's going too fast or too slow. But we want to hear that nice little solid click. So again, if your front door is closed before the storm door closes, the storm door will not close and latch on its own if that window is completely raised. You've got to break that vacuum or that seal with the screen. For this and more tips and tricks on storm doors, visit stormdoorguy.com or subscribe to my channel.